Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Simply Changing Life, and today we have a very special topic. I think I have to do a video for this topic because I just want to raise awareness among all the young people out there that this is happening. We are polluting the environment so much that I'm really afraid what's going to happen in the future. So today I want to talk about zero waste life. First of all, what is zero waste life? I think it speaks for itself is when you basically do not make any waste, or you use reusable things, or you just don't throw trash out there. If this is the simplest way to explain that. I want to talk about how to start zero waste life. So first thing I want to start with is that you drink water every day. Not a lot of plastic gets recycled. There's more percentage that is not recycled. I suggest you guys to use a plastic reusable bottle. Very convenient, and it's very nice to use because you just take it everywhere and you always know that you always have water with you. A lot of people drink water with lemon, so it's really good for this. Imagine how much plastic bottles you stop, like the amount you can simply count after. I swear I carry all the time my coffee cup because I always drink coffee, and it doesn't matter if I just go to hang out or if I just I don't know, I have work to do, I have some other things that I need to maybe do during the day. Usually the baristas in all the coffee places, they are willing to, serve you in your own cup. So you're welcome to use it anytime. So it's always a nice idea to have one according to your preferences, whatever you like. So yeah, it's always a good idea. I like the style of it. It's amazing. If you like some smoothies, juice, stuff like that, or just to have water, you can always use cups like that with the straw that comes with it. Next thing I want to share with you guys is that we brush our teeth like every single day. I have these ones. These are wooden, so you can see it's very environment friendly. It's very nice to use. You often go to public places and you order a milkshake or a cocktail, they always come with plastic straw. So for this situation, I have this solution right here. It's a reusable straw. It's a metallic, but there are also glass ones, bamboo, and some other ones that you can use, and these are super cool and they're so stylish. They come in gold and silver, sometimes in different colors, so it's really beautiful to just sometimes have like these matching straws that they just look fancy and they're very good. You don't have to buy plastic straws because you just reuse these. And last but not least, guys, I want to talk to you about using the material bags. The main idea is that you never use plastic bags again, and you save the turtles by using this reusable straw. You save the turtles, you save the other species out there in the water. I never accept a bag, even if I don't have a physical bag with me. I just carry all my stuff on my hands, so that way I don't have to actually, buy a plastic bag or have a plastic bag. So I always refuse to have a plastic bag from the store. Also, every time I go somewhere, and if I buy something that is wrapped, I usually try to get rid of the wrapping paper if I can right at the store, so I don't carry that with me. So I straightly buy what I paid for, not the wrapping. So I usually refuse. And if you can, sometimes you can carry your plastic dish and to ask at the store to put your stuff, to put your food in the plastic dish that you carry. A lot of the restaurants, a lot of the cafes, public places, they do that. If you just kindly ask them, they're gonna do it for you, because everyone understands how plastic affects our world. Yeah, also for the girls, there are some makeup wipes that are reusable, so you don't have to actually buy all the time the new ones. You simply just order them from, I think, Amazon or eBay. I think they definitely have it. I know all of these things are already out there, already used by people, but this is actually something that a lot of people forget sometimes. So it's just a reminder for you guys, or reminder to anyone out there, to remember, always use these things to make less damage to the environment. So I encourage all you guys to always watch the news, Google, search what's really happening, how people are affecting this world. Thanks to this pandemic, I mean, I'm not happy because of this pandemic out there, but it was a good restart for the environment to, have some break from the people, and that's why all these things that I mentioned in this video are really important. We're gonna live in this world for a long time still, the youngest generation, so that's why I want to encourage everyone to really start thinking what actions we have to take right now, because if we're not gonna do it, then imagine what's gonna happen in the future, including the amount of world population is rising. There's so many factories, there's so many like oil and gas, big companies that are working and really polluting the environment. So yeah, if we have to at least worry about small things that we can do and inspire other people to change their mindset and to start caring about the environment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share your comments in the comment section what things from what I've mentioned you have and you're already using, so we can actually kind of talk about this. Anyways, you guys have a great day, and I wish you all to stay healthy and safe, especially during this time. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.